This recipe is close to my heart. It was my mother-in-law's favorite, and every time I make it, I feel like she's right there in the kitchen with me. Today, we're making her cozy lemon pepper chicken, slow cooked to perfection and served with a refreshing summer salad. If you're new here, my name is Lei, and welcome to my kitchen. We start by prepping 6 chicken breasts. I cut each in half lengthwise so they cook evenly. Then I season both sides with salt and pepper. Nothing fancy, just the basics to bring out the flavor. Slice up about a 1/4 cup of onion and rough chop 2 cloves of garlic. These aromatics are key. They make the kitchen smell amazing. In a large skillet, heat up a bit of olive oil and brown the chicken in batches. You want that golden crust without overcrowding the pan. Once that's done, saute the onions and garlic until fragrant. You know when they're ready. Your kitchen will smell like comfort. Now into the slow cooker. Layer in the browned chicken. Then pour in your sauteed garlic and onions. Add a can each of Campbell cream of chicken and cream of mushroom soup. A tablespoon of lemon pepper and a splash of water to loosen things up. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Set the slow cooker to high for 1 hour, then low for 3. You've got time, perfect to make the salad. I used fresh lettuce from our neighbor's garden, sliced cucumber, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes. A little color makes all the difference. Off camera, I toss in some dried cranberries, crumbled gruyere cheese, a little sweet, a little creamy, just how we like it. For the dressing, I kept it simple, and I used a homemade dressing in the fridge. Lemon juice, olive oil, crushed garlic, salt and pepper. Taste it and adjust to your liking. Back to the chicken. After that first hour on high, I check and gently stir to make sure all the pieces are coated in that creamy lemony sauce. Flip them now and then, and near the end, poke through a few with a knife to check if they're fully cooked. Now time to serve. I molded some leftover rice in a small measuring cup, scooped over 2 tender chicken pieces. Ladle that creamy sauce on top, and plated the salad on the side. And that's dinner. Simple, full of love, and incredibly satisfying. If this recipe brought back a memory or gave you an idea for dinner tonight, give it a thumbs up. And if you're into recipes with heart, heritage, and good flavor, I loved it if you subscribed. Thanks for cooking with me and with her today. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.